absent. 3 absent. Yeah. Alright, let's start. So this is an expansion. Write your name, your class, and here we go. Now, first I want you to do a product of two algebraic expression. Now, this one here, I want you to differentiate between two types. Okay? So, can you write down here? Difference between two types. One is A bracket B times C. A bracket B plus C. Do you know the answer for the first one? How many of you say it's AB times AC? 1, 2. The rest? AB times? The first one, what's the answer? Is it AB times AC? What's the answer? Huh? ABC. It's just ABC. But, yeah. The popular mistake. Can I write in red for the wrong one? You also write in red, You also write in red. A lot of discussion. Very good. Can you write down the wrong one? A bracket B times C is equal to AB times AC. This is wrong. And you need to know why. Can we start? Now, first, I want you to identify bracket with an operation. Bracket actually means multiply. Alright? So, this bracket thing here actually got a meaning. This bracket here actually means multiply. Now, if I read the words, this is as good as telling me A multiplied by B multiplied by C. So, what is the answer? A times B times C. Does that make sense to you? I repeat. This bracket here means multiply. Multiply means A multiplied by B multiplied by C. So, what's the answer? A, B, C. A times B times C. Do you follow? You still think it's A, B, A, C? Okay. So I failed. Can I show you the right hand side first? Then I come back to the left hand side. Yeah. Now, right hand side. What is the difference between the left and the right? The difference is actually this sign. Orlando, do you agree? The sign is different. This sign is multiply, this sign is plus. Now, when you put a plus here, then we need to distribute. Alright? So when there is a plus or minus, we need to distribute. Can I write down in words? When there is a plus or minus, you need to distribute. Now, distribute means the famous word created by Singapore as well. Rainbow, right? The rainbow thing, right? So, rainbow means the answer looks something like AB plus AC. Now, if I were to string out a bit, Orlando, do you see the difference between B plus C, B times C? B times C, there is no rainbow, because over here is multiply. Everything multiply. So it's A times B times C. No, you can't do the one in the bracket first because multiply. Everyone is holding the same order. Botman say do multiply first. Multiply, multiply, multiply. There's nothing to do. But over here, because this is a plus, so whenever you see a plus, then you will need to distribute. This is one way you can remember. Can I show you another way? Same, yes. Yeah, you don't distribute. Okay, Zhang Ming say, when there's times inside, do you do the inside first? Answer is no. There's no way you can do inside. How to do inside? What is B plus C? What is B times C? B times C. BC ah. What is B plus C? B plus C ah. You can't simplify inside. Also can. This one like that also can. Now, okay, I want to show you another way to differentiate ah. Now, when I have B times C, may I ask you, how many terms are there? 2. Wrong. 1. 1. When something is differentiated by a multiply or a divide, it's 1 term. Okay? So, may I shift this down? And then write down, and then can you write this down? Over here, this is 1 term. What about B plus C? Over here is how many terms? 2 terms. Okay, this is a mathematical way of explaining. Whenever you see a B plus C, actually there are how many terms? 2. B times C, 1. So whenever you see 2 terms, you need to distribute. You need to distribute. Okay, distribute means the rainbow thing. Sean, are you writing? Okay, now let's look at some example. So maybe I quote some example. E.g., what happens when I have 2 times AB? What's the answer? 2AB law. Is that correct? What happens when I have 2 times A plus B? 2A plus 2B law. Do you see the difference? Let's try again. Who is exploding? 2A minus B. What's the answer? 2A minus 2B. Let's try again. 2A over B. This one. Is it 2A over 2B? Or is it just 2A over B? 2A over B. Does that make sense to you? Do you distribute top and bottom? No. Why? Because A over B is how many terms? 1 term. This is just 1 term. 1 term. That is one way of understanding it. Another way is you tell me, the 2 actually is 2 over 1 times A over B. So if I have a fraction times fraction, then top times top, bottom times bottom. So the answer is always, is still, is forever just 2A over B. Can I show you the wrong one? Can I show you the wrong one? The wrong one will be, you tell me, 2A over B, this is 2A over 2B. Why is this wrong? Because when I cancel, it will become what? A over B. Can they be equal? No. Am I too fast? Yes. Should I slow down? Yes. Any questions here? Can I up the level a bit? Okay, let's try a few more questions. What happens when you have minus 2A plus B? Can you try this now? In 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready? Sishuan, what's your answer? Oh, copying. Amelia, what's your answer? Minus A? Minus 2A? Minus 2B. Very good. So this is minus 2A minus 2B. Now, challenging. In another 5 seconds, write down this answer instead. Is that the same? No. I changed the sign inside from plus to minus. In 5 seconds, get ready to answer. 4. Yes. Is it regarding this? No. Is it regarding this? Okay, what about this? Adli, repeat Daryl's question. Do you cross multiply? Good question. No. You only cross multiply when in between them is an equal sign. Daryl, repeat. You only cross multiply when in between them is a equal sign. This one. Can you present the mixed fraction form? I will create a question on that bottom. What is this answer, Sishuan? Negative 2A minus plus 2B. Very good. Negative 2A plus 2B. This is the one I'm testing you. Did everyone get correct? Very good. Okay. Now, last one before we go straight to the example is the one that Hey, Orlando, where is your question? You say bottom half? Where? Okay, can I create one question? Are you saying that I want 4.5 times AB? Like mixed number times a fraction, is it? Is it what you're asking? Yeah, sorry.
Can you present the answer like this? Like this?
Oh, I'm sorry. Orlando question is this, can you copy down because this is very good for learning? Orlando question is this. Is this equal to this? I want you to write correct or wrong. Everyone copy this? Everyone copy this? Done? Copy? And then you answer, is this right or wrong? Depends, is it? Someone say depends too. Depends. Why depends? Oh, depends whether A bigger or B bigger? No. In mathematics, you cannot depend on whether A or B. It's okay. Chill. Alright, it's okay. So it doesn't depend on A and B, but technically, you are not wrong because this is 2 times A over B. But writing like that gives you an idea of mixed fraction, right? So it's a tendency for you to write B times 2 plus A over B, right? Like the mixed fraction way. So my advice is you take this as wrong. So never try and write it this way, even though technically it seems correct because it's still 2 times A over B. But writing this as a mixed fraction gives a danger sign there. Can I pause the video here? Anyone got any questions? All the questions you ask are very good, Okay, last one. Then we will start our revision, What happens when I have 4.5 times A over B? You want to try first or I give you a hint first? You want to try? Good. Can you try now? Tell me your answer. Then I tell you the hint. Please don't tell me it's 4.5. 4 and A over 2B. Don't tell me that. Okay, now the hint. The hint is you should try and change this to a proper fraction. So what is this? 9 over 2 times A over B, and what is the answer? 9 A over 2B. Is this okay? Daryl, can I cross multiply here? No. Correct. Why? There's no equal sign in between. So never cross multiply. People are asking questions, people are keeping quiet. So throw a question so that I can clear it now. Don't wait until later at home. Any more questions? Really no, huh? Okay, can I pause the video and you try 8? So can I write down A plus 1, A plus 2. Do you want me to explain or tell you what to do? You want me to explain? Explain, huh? Okay, explain. Now, explain means this. Can you write down over here, how many terms are there? 2 terms. Over here, how many terms are there? 2 terms. Does that trigger you to distribute? Does that trigger you to distribute? What is going on there? Nothing. Okay. Continue. So, how to distribute? Very simple. I take the first A, the first term. I will distribute 1 and 2. Can you tell me the answer? So, you need to understand what is A times A. What is A times A? Is it 2A or A squared? A squared. So, this is A squared. Huh? Plus the second distributed A times plus 2. 2A. Remember the sign? Just put a plus 2A. Next one, I want to use another color. Now is the plus 1 term. The plus 1 term also will distribute. So I distribute. What do I get? Plus 1A, distribute again, plus 3 is no good because 1 times 2 is just 2. Press your calculator, don't hurry to use mental calculation. So, over here, what you need to do next is to combine the like terms. But before I do that, this is a very critical step. You need to ask why or how now, so that I can clarify. Huh? Clarify like, you don't know how, why 2A, why A, why 2, you need to clarify now. Anyone? Okay, later we try. So therefore, the answer is, where are the like terms? It has. 2A and A is like terms. It's like 2 apple plus 1 apple. How many apple is that? Jiaming, 2 apple plus 1 apple. How many apple? 2 apple plus 1 apple. How many apple? 3. So therefore, the answer is A squared plus 3A plus 2 hashtag. Is that okay? Can you try B and C now? B and C got a lot of hidden danger traps because there is a minus. So can you do it carefully in 10 seconds? And simplify. Okay, Irvin asked a good question. Can I have your attention? Last one to look up on the screen is Ifa. Okay, Ifa, look on the screen. Let me explain the steps. This step here is called expand. You want to write down, everyone write down. This step here is called expand. Expand means you remove the brackets. The last step here is called simplify. So simplify means you want to combine the like terms. Example, 2 apple plus 1 apple is 3 apple. You simplify it. Do I make sense? Okay, continue with your B and C. Who needs me to do B with you in the board, on the board? Okay. Can I have the final answer, Jaren? What's your final answer? B squared plus AB, 8B, sorry, 8B, and minus 15. Anyone got a different answer to challenge him? Oh, Li Fei, what's your answer? B squared plus 2B minus 15. Jaren, can you help me distribute? B times B will give you B squared. B times 5B will give you 5B. Minus 3 times B will give you minus 3B. Minus 3 times plus 5 will give you minus 15. Do you notice I box out the minus? Now, even draw more boxes. Now I want to isolate the terms. Fetch a calculator. Jaren, identify two like terms here. Very good. What is 5 banana minus 3 banana? Thank you. Therefore, this is the answer. But what Jaren did is a very popular mistake. A lot of you like to do this, especially in exam conditions, because stress. So you need to be very careful, always draw the boxes so you don't get mixed up. Any questions? Complete the worksheet.